All right, waiting for that overcast to burn off, clear up. But from that look at La Jolla, we're going to a different part of La Jolla.
Yeah, while on spring break last week, a group of young San Diegans decided, listen, we're going to do something to help the people of Ukraine.
So we go now to the lemonade stand for Ukraine, as it's being called. We're going to speak with Dr. Susan Stewart and the kids behind this lemonade stand. Dr. Stewart, thanks for joining us. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for joining us. We really appreciate it.
Yes.
Okay, so tell us. Good morning. Tell us how this idea got started. Who is responsible? Introduce all the kids that are behind you there.
Okay, it's my pleasure to do so. So basically, we'll start with Mary Grace, who had the inspiration to start this whole idea. So let me introduce her, and then she can tell you guys a little bit about how it all started. Does that sound okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay, Mary Grace. So they want to know how you thought about this.
No.
I thought about this because I
Look
saw.
at the camera.
I thought about this because I saw it on TV that Ukraine and Russia were having a bombing. So I wanted to make a difference. So I asked my mom and dad, and they said that they'd help me and help us. And they suggested Doctors Without Borders, and we made a Venmo, and here we are with our lemonade stand.
Oh.
Awesome. Does anybody know anything about Doctors Without Borders? Matthew, tell me what Doctors Without Borders is.
They're doctors that go anywhere in war zones just to help kids and adults and soldiers to the most dangerous places you can think of at any time.
Wow. So they risk their own lives.
Yeah.
Yes, awesome. Annie, are they superheroes?
No. Oh wait, yeah, they are superheroes.
So why don't you introduce yourself, Annie?
I'm Annie. I'm 7 years old.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, I'm Dara and I'm 10 years old. Hi, I'm Matthew and I'm 10 years old.
Look in the camera, guys.
Hi, I'm Ames and I'm 10 years old.
Hi, I'm Kennedy and I'm 9 years old. Hi, I'm Mary Grace Matthews, twin, and I'm 10 years old.
Yes. And who's this nice lady behind us?
Miss Lally. This is Miss Lally.
Come here, Miss Lally.
Hello.
I'm the teacher of these 5, hopefully that one in 2 years, and I'm here to support this altruistic endeavor of these wonderful kids to support Ukraine.
Wow.
You know, when we talked to you guys a couple of days ago, you mentioned that it was I think you said it was the world's best lemonade. What is the key to getting lemonade right?
Yeah, who's making it? Which one of the kids?
Actually, yeah, so let me get Mary Grace, tell us what the key is to the best lemonade that we make. It's the best in town, correct?
Yeah, we got it fresh off the tree and we squeeze it with our own hands.
Oh, wow.
Look at
Can't get
that.
better than
So
that.
fresh lemonade.
Wow.
Fresh lemonade.
So how much have you guys raised so far, and what are your goals? What do you want to accomplish with this?
Okay. So who wants to take this question? How much have we raised and what's your goals?
Okay.
So we raised about $800 so far, and we want to get to $1,000. But if we get there, we're probably not going to stop. We're going to keep on going.
There we go.
Good for you. Can we ask, how do you guys feel that you're doing everything you can to help these people in Ukraine? How do you guys feel about that?
Hey, Annie, how do you feel about helping these people in the Ukraine?
Really, really happy.
It makes you feel happy? Yes. So what have you learned from all this?
That a lot of people are nice in our neighborhood.
Yeah.
Very
What
much
have you
so.
learned, Matthew?
That a lot of people are nice in our neighborhood, and most of them want peace, and that the war going on is not a right thing to do.
Yeah. How about you, Dar? Have you learned anything from this?
Yes, I learned that Russian people are evil.
Well, not all of them. Yeah.
Some of them.
Just some of them. The war is not a good thing. Would you agree with that one?
Yes, especially the president. He's very evil.
Yeah, yeah.
You're forcing.
What have you learned, Ames?
I learned that not only grown-ups can help, but kids can also help too.
Yes,
I
they
love
Kids
can.
can make a
that.
difference. That's so true.
Well, and
Me too.
and I think what he meant to say was that you know, Putin, the
Yes.
one causing this chaos, is
Yes.
the one to blame. We want to help you guys, and I know a lot of people at home watching want to help. Where are you located? What is the address, the intersection? How can we come find you? And when will you be there?
Oh my God. Well, we'll be here all morning, and we would be delighted to see you all. And we're on a street called Camino de la Costa, and the cross street is La Cañada, and it's in La Jolla, California, right off La Jolla Boulevard.
Yeah, that's not hard to find at all. Now, let me ask you something. I see that what a bargain to have the best cup of lemonade in town for only $5 a cup. Are you finding people that'll come up and say, I know it's only $5, but this is for a good cause, so I'm going to put 10 in there?
You know what? We have the best neighbors. They're so kind and generous. People come up and they anonymously Venmo us money. We've had people Venmo $100. We've had people Venmo $40. So the outpouring of support for the people of the Ukraine has been amazing and overwhelming. We're so lucky to live in San Diego and lucky to live in La Jolla for sure.
And we want to make sure, we want to emphasize that, because a lot of people, that might be a long drive for them, or they just can't make it to get that cup of lemonade. But you got Venmo, and everybody can pitch in and help, right?
Yeah, and you know, a lot of people have Venmo'd us, and we're so grateful to them. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
We do have to go, but I wanted to ask real quick, how are you guys getting this money to Doctors Without Borders?
So we're going through the doctorswithoutborders.org website, and we're donated it through there. Okay. So if people want to donate directly, it's an amazing cause.
Got it.
These people are physicians. They risk their own lives, and they help the sick and the injured people. So if people want to donate that way, that's another great option.
Good.
Wow.
The little girl on the end there, she clearly had a lot of the lemonade. She tried a lot of her own product.
Yes,
Yeah, she definitely believes in the cause.
Yes, she does. She's very enthusiastic about it.
I love this. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
I hope you guys are
Oh my
inundated.
God, thank you for... Oh, bless your heart. Thank you so much, and thank you for covering this.
Oh, yeah, we're going to be in touch. We want to help you with that goal. And like he said, even if we get to $1,000, we're going to keep going.
Yeah.
So good job, you guys.
Keep it going.
Yes, we're
Thank
not going to
you.
stop. Absolutely. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Oh, how cool.
How much you want to bet they blow right past $1,000 before this show?
Oh, I'm sure.